Trapped. Trapped in a box, incarcerated but not detained. There is no chain, there are no shackles. I am not bound, but I am not free. Indoctrinated, discombobulated, my mind is not my own. You see me and you make assumptions. One's perception may yield 1,000 revelations. Yet you so vehemently draw your own conclusions. You often confuse perception with reality and reality with perception. For your ignorance is your conviction. You say you love me. You proclaim friendship, love, family, and loyalty. And then you boast of freedom of expression, obeying society. What you see, who you love is not me, but it is the perception that you've conceived of me. I'm trapped in this box, incarcerated but not detained. There is no chain, there are no shackles. I am not bound, neither am I free. I am fugitive. Yes, I'm Roman, and this poem is entitled Fugitive. As usual, if you'd like for me to give details, explain, etc., let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you really like the video. I hope you like the poem. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and if you'd like for me to engage with your work, let me know again, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.